Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to my beautiful people. It's your brother, your friend, Casey Brand TV. I'm back again to give you this vital information. So, guys, anywhere you're watching from, don't forget to subscribe if it's your first time here, and don't forget to share the video. We did here to to learn and to show one another love. So, happy Xmas in advance. I wish you guys well. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe on your notification bell, and please don't forget to hit the like button and share this video also. Now, here we learn a lot. If you have questions, you can ask on this platform. So let us come and talk about ourselves as the foreigners. See wetin dey happen now. Many people now they complain about their commission, their RP. People still they wait for their RP date, Cassazione. Things they happen. Mostly this document issue. Many people now cannot find job. Why? Because they no documents. To give contracts now problem for the countryside. So now they talk about when we talk about this asylum issue. They say asylum issue. When we talk asylum is about when you come country, when you run away from your country, you come another country, come seek asylum. It's for them to give you protection. Abi from that protection, maybe you can go commission inside where Italy they do down. After the commission, they'll look through your story. If your story match about their asylum laws where they put for inside before they will grant you permits. They say now people they will give permit, people they run for danger for the countryside. Your life is a risk. Understand? Maybe you as in your for your countryside, they're looking for you or political issues. You have some issues back home and you cannot go back to your country, or you have maybe your health, you did serious health issues, something like that, before they can grant you any protection. Many of our people now they don't talk about this story. They know the main problem people get for that country. They know the main problem. Let me say they don't know, say for maybe from our country now, say now the as the maybe doctor say economic issue. Many people now they don't finish school, they cannot find job, and how they can take care of their family. Many of people don't want to put hand for risk thing from that country. They don't want to put their hand for illegal stuff. They constantly they risk their life. Somebody come another country, come hustle if they can better their life. Before when you enter another country now, you can't seek asylum. Now that seeking asylum is for them to give you protection and give you permit for you to work. Many people don't dey for camp for many years. Oh, they never know which day God will give them that permit. But with the pray say that permit must come out. But people don't talk that story, say their life they risk. They cannot go back to the country, they still deny them. They don't go appeal, they still deny them. Lawyer, they collect money. Without work, how person say they pay lawyer? They know they think about that one. No, they work, you don't get permit, say if you don't get documents, no fit work. How person say they pay lawyer? How person say they pay lawyer? They forget say an idle man na devil workshop. When person dey idle now, you no know wetin you wan do. Wetin the next thing we go dey think? Small time they go carry na put for news say black man don do this one, don do the other one. No, many of them wan work o, but wey dey permit. Many of them dey farm now dey risk their life dey work without no contracts. Some dey work without no contract just to cater for them to dey pay their lawyer, for them to dey pay, take care of their family. Hmm? Make dem dey reason am. When they the reason now, because people they camp now, they feel so frustrated. Now they don't give many people documents. Now they don't know as in how they want to work out with these documents. Now you define job. Now many people want to come. They fear many of them say some permits now without no work now. They no one go release them. But that permits now humanitarian permits before. Because especially now humanitarian protection especially now humanitarian. But now because they can't say work, so people now they fear now. Many people documents now they for renew never still come out. Make dem dey reason am because people now, some people want to work. People wey wan work, make dem still give dem document wey dey as in wey dey give the document for dem to go find job. People wey dey work already, make dem give dem permit. Make dem for still dey get as in make dem for dey get some profit. Make dem for dey get profit. Maybe your contract finish, you can go for discopatione. Understand? Unemployed, they say they pay you money because you pay tax, they go still pay you some of the tax wey you pay for the countryside. But if you no get document, you no fit go for this discopatione. Now you go come lose. They don't know say now many of these foreigners now that they used to dey work. Many of them will not get documents until they fight exploitation. Go farm for those farm now migrants food there, and many of them don't get documents. Many of them don't get documents. Many of them now they don't lose their document because of contracts. So maybe you fair get work contract, maybe your documents there for Lavoro, then you can't lose your job. you can still go for to renew your documents. They go still give you that document what they call attesa occupation. It means say you dey look for job. You are unemployed now, you dey look for job. So when you remember that one, not be say you get your document and lavoro you did now because you don't lose job because they fear say if you don't find work, they don't give you documents. They go still give you permit 1 year, valid for the 1 year. So first of all, if your document, the contract finish, go to Cento Pelimpiego, go register with them. They will give you some kind of file where you go use to go put your documents for renew. When you put your documents for renew, they will give you 1 year. That 1 year, use and take go find job. But if you not still find job, they can still release you 6 months. But make sure say you find job to convert that attesta occupazione to lavoro back for you to put back your documents intact because no go lose your documents. No go lose your documents. So you when you prepare yourself for commission, you should say your story, arrange your story very well. Because you see, say things now they hard for so many people now. Things they hard. Things they hard because the way they see things they hard. Many people they complain about their commission. Many of them they complain about their appeal, cassatione. They never know how you want to go. Cassatione now still they are pending. They don't know when they want to call them. Lawyer now they pending. Some lawyers now they vex. Many of their clients they don't know as in they don't no hope. No hope. Now we they give our people hope. So if you want to get lawyer, when you get better lawyer, when they give you updates all the time, may they pick your call sometimes, give you say, just wait, maybe the judge are still waiting. You must get documents. The one way go show you, say this is your story, go give you documents. Understand? Not the one way go just understand. Maybe they fail, maybe don't spend money finish now. At the end of the day, they'll come, they carry go here, carry come here. Go for better lawyer, migrant lawyer. So you will see the camp. If you use camp lawyer also, camp lawyers they give documents. If you know say one day you want to use outside camp, say now money issues. But now that one they talk say if you don't get documents, APS cutting they pay the lawyers. They say the reason now because lawyers now they pay lawyers, but they don't get documents to go work. APS say they get the money. Don't the reason APS say they get the money? Don't the reason now? Now they talk say make they find work to the convert the documents. Where many of them now they receive citizenship income. Many of them receive citizenship income. If the work easy, why many of them receive citizenship income? Now, if foreigners want go for the citizenship income, if you never reach 10 years, no go fit. People will already go for the citizenship income, where therefore go make mistake. Now they pay muta for top. They beg them when they reduce that 10 years now, if now 5 years, so that SFPC they manage. Many of my foreigners they get families. How they want to kata? How they want to kata? They don't know the risk where person pass through from all those deserts, sea, come this country. They know the risk. They know the hell where person pass. They know the torture where they pass, the beating, no food, no water. Then you come, they can't use documents, they stress person neck will come long first. Then after you don't get the documents, now they constantly use lavoro now until they stress you before you can convert the document or renew the documents. Make they feel the reason now. Make the reason now because things not they easy. Koro constantly join our things can't they hard. They need to, modify these document issues. Not be by force for the contract. Who get contract, feel go renew documents. Who not get, feel renew document like that. But this force of contract now constantly baffle person. It baffle many people. Because person document never come out. People put that cassation for many years, never come out. They find work now, they can't come out. Many of them find work. And before, without no lavoro, you can convert, your document can come out. But now they put lavoro. Yes, people want to work, but no job. If no job, what person go do? Maybe person can go they buy work, or person go they work where oga go they match on top of your head. They threaten you. That one not good. I mean, when they try change things. Now what they try to tell the minister say things they hard. Document issues now they have for many foreigners. Document no they put the come out gas before. Many foreigners now they frustrated. They come let's say they regret. People get family, people get children. To assess for you to take care. Maybe all those bonuses now they put more laws. They put laws we go make and way as a way migrant as they push migrants go one side. It's supposed to be one equal. It's supposed to be equal. Who get permits, it can assess for for any bonus. But now they say if you don't get 10 years, when they try to reduce that 10 years, Because many migrants don't get job already. Many of them they don't get work. Now those for bonus nice they help them. Rem now go finish. How they want to how they want to feed their children, how they want to take care of their family when you work. So may they try change things. That make they come here always they talk. May they try change things. Document issues. May they see the may they reason now. If now 1 year when they give person wait till they work. Because if one go find work now without no document, they don't give you work. Why some they work for a self farm to give them now 1 year when they see the benefits if their contract finish, when they still give them. What will they preach for this place? So my brother, my sisters, you will get your CASA something to expired, I beg. If you don't find work, if you don't find work before, use your document, the contract you don't find to work before till you put up for renew. They first give you back your Casazione. So if you put up for if you want to put for renew, if they tell you say lavoro, tell they say you know lavoro because of the condition, they explain to them, or you say you work, you go school with them. Present anything where you don't as the way you don't use for the country. I say I know well. See the certificate I not take why I not take well since I go school before with the documents. See the certificate. I work with some before. See the contracts, my S contracts. How one do one so they know. So guys, no stop for me. We dey hope for many better things to dey happen for the foreigners, the good foreigners. Because if they leave them like that, many people now go they put their hand for hot thing. They go say migrants don't they put hand for bad thing. Idle man na evil workshop, na evil workshop. Idle person with the idle, we no get a document, we no get the reason in waiting they head now. Now how to cut off for a family. If we no get document, now the person waiting person will enter the person head now to put hand for bad thing. So when they give documents, release documents, that person will figure work. Make the person no go put hand for illegal stuff. Nobody want put hand for illegal stuff. Nobody want put hand for waiting go hot. I wish the person want put hand for waiting go hot. Many people dey for their country, they do all those pressing, but nobody want to do those one. They come, they can't do legal stuff. But documents, and I try. I beg my sisters, happy Xmas and happy New Year again for in advance. See you now for my next video. We are here to learn and to educate. So guys, if you have any questions about your documents, hit me on the comment section. We're here to learn. And bye for now. Don't forget to smash the like button. See you in my next video.